rolling 30 miles an hour in second. Three, two, one, go. Come on. Oh, it's coming back. Here we go. Oh! There we go, there we go, there we go. Third gear, 3, 2, 1, go. Here he comes now. Come on! What I found amazing is that your car's got this instant electric pickup, yet this, with its turbochargers, was faster acting, faster response. It's mad. Okay, second gear again, 30 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go. That's faster.
It is, yeah. I think I had a tiny bit of wheel spin, but yeah, it's faster. It's a bit awkward, isn't it?
It is what it is. Do you know what? Let's take the traction out of it by doing it from 50 in third. Then there shouldn't be traction issues, and we'll just be able to compare the torque and the actual power then without traction and your better tyres. 3, 2, 1, go. One, go. You went a bit early there, Yannick. This will be from 50, so I'm in third now. Get level. 3, 2, 1, go. Is he coming back? He's coming back!